Welcome to Engineer Zone How-To video series. In this video you will learn how to ask a question. As you can see, I am on the Engineer Zone homepage. I have a question about part number ADXL375. I'm going to type into this search and keyword part list to see what it suggests. The suggested form is for me to ask my question in MEMS. I see that there are related pages, some answered questions, and other content related to my part number. If I don't see a question similar, I will go ahead and ask mine. So I'll click on MEMS Inertial Sensors. In the MEMS group, I can see there's an Ask a Question button. After adding your subject, click into the description area to add some more information. For the sake of this video, I will cut and paste my question. I would like to add some images. Click on Insert, Insert Image, select File Upload, click on Browse, and select your image. You can see your image in this box and click OK. I have one more image I'd like to add. So I will click on Insert, Image again, File Upload, and browse for my image. My second image appears in this box and I click OK. Now I can see both of my images are here. To increase the exposure of your question, please tag your question with a part number and some other applicable keywords that will help in search. As you type your keyword, you may receive a pop-up box to display other tags that are relevant. You can select from there, or you can add your own. If your keyword is not in the list, you can select it from the list after you type it. Once you're finished, click on Post. To access the complete library of Engineer Zone tutorials, please visit How to Use Engineer Zone.